Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the server reachable. Open SQL Server Configuration Manager and enable TCP/IP. This allows network clients to find the instance. Once done, confirm the SQL Server service is running and note the port number, typically 1433. Make sure you have SSMS installed locally. You need it to test connections. Also change authentication to mixed if you will use SQL logins. Then create a secure username and password so external apps can authenticate. Now you build access for clients. In SSMS, create a login and map it to the database roles the app needs because permissions control what queries succeed. Next, construct a connection string precisely. Server equals host, optional / instance, or comma port. Include database, user ID, and password. Test that connection locally from the server to validate credentials and permissions. Once local tests succeed, test from another machine using the server hostname and the TCP port to confirm external reachability. Finish by allowing remote traffic and verifying services. Add an inbound firewall rule for the SQL port or use the explicit port in clients if you prefer not to run SQL Server browser. Once configured, restart the SQL services to apply changes. Then test from a remote machine with SSMS or your app. If things go wrong, check the SQL Server error log for authentication or network errors, and use Telnet host port to verify the port is reachable. This single check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.